Most people think deserts are empty, but actually they are full of life, texture, and some of the most incredible plants on earth. Today I'm going to show you a botanical garden where cactus, agaves, and drought-tolerant plants steal the show. This is a beautiful garden. It is a botanical garden that you are going to see is located in Springs Preserve in Las Vegas, Nevada. One of the things that I like best about visiting a botanical garden is that I can see how big the plants get when they're mature, plus give me different ideas on how to landscape my own yard and what plant combinations look best with each other. Old man of the Andes back here. Okay, I think I might put mine in the ground. And for reference, my garden is located in Southern California in Zone 10A, so I can grow basically everything that you see in this video. Majestic agave. Puntia polycantha, dark night. Okay. Twisted barrel difference. Here's a big saguaro. Ocotillo. Getting ready to bloom. Snow puntia in the background. Silver torch. Callisto cactus straussii. Those look like San Pedro, but I could be wrong. That is squid agave, Agave bracteosa. And if you want more information on that one, I made a video and I'll put a link up above. This plant looks like a California sage, but there's no tag on it. Notice how they have this cactus planted behind the sage plant. That will allow the plant to receive some sun, or excuse me, some shade from the hot afternoon sun. Trichoceros candy cans. We are here on a Monday in January and there's hardly anybody here. This is great. Oh, well, you can hear some kids back there. Lots of fruit on that opuntia. It's always nice because you can get ideas on how to plant things up. That's Portulacaria afra, and they have it staked up here in a nice pot. So that would be a good patio plant. It's a euphorbia. These potted plants can give you an idea on how you would like to arrange some plants in your pots. These plants do well in Southern California. No tag on this. Gives you an idea of what you can do to do some mounding and the use of rocks. Okay, here they're calling it a spider agave rather than a squid agave. And this is Agave bracteosa. Okay, so that's an example of why you really want to know the botanical name and not the common name, because I think this was also called the squid agave, so it's helpful to know the botanical names. I don't see a name tag for that one. Is a really pretty plant. Little plants tucked in all these little nooks and crannies. Probably giving them some relief from the hot sun in the summer. That's why they're planted under these palms. section. Oh, here's a tag. Horse crippler. That would be that guy. Yeah, they're flat. You can't see them much. Here's a Tephrocactus. have one planted, but mine looks quite a bit different because it's in a lot of shade. Those are some beautiful barrels. If you are in the Las Vegas area, I would highly recommend visiting Springs Preserve. They are only about 5 miles from the Strip in Las Vegas. And in this preserve, they have a waterworks exhibit, the Nevada State Museum, an origin museum, also a replica of the boom town in the 1900s. It's really interesting, and there is also a desert living center and a springs amphitheater. All right, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Check back with me to see what I'm up to next time. Bye.